Working with objects or sets of objects is easier than ever in AutoCAD LT 2012. A new Group panel brings this occasionally underutilized function front and center. With the Group command, you can quickly collect a set of objects into a single item that can be manipulated as a unit. Or you can turn off the Group bounding box to edit objects individually. The Purge dialog has been updated to enable you to remove empty groups from your drawings. If you use Snap mode in your drafting, you will notice that it now stays off in Object Selection mode, making it easier to select the geometry you need. Instead, Snap now only goes into effect when you're specifying points. The ability to nudge objects, moving them a few pixels at a time, has been added to AutoCAD LT 2012. To nudge selected objects, hold down Ctrl and press the appropriate arrow key. Multifunctional grips are a great drafting time saver because they enable you to keep your attention on your drawing and save you from having to hunt for commands on a different part of the user interface. Previously available for polylines and hatch objects, multifunctional grips have been extended to more AutoCAD LT objects, including lines, arcs, elliptical arcs, dimensions, and multileaders. To see what options are available for a particular grip on an object, simply hover your cursor over it until the menu appears. Another change to grip functions is how perpendicular and tangent object snaps are calculated. In AutoCAD LT 2012, when you grip stretch the end point of a line, or a vertex of a polyline, AutoCAD LT will calculate perpendicular or tangent points for the object as well as the stretching vector. For example, this line can either be stretched so that its endpoint moves perpendicularly relative to the other line, or it can be stretched so that the line itself is perpendicular to the second line. The same concept applies for calculating tangents for arcs and circles. Double-clicking on most objects now brings up quick properties instead of the full properties palette. When you clear your selection, the palette automatically closes. The list of properties displayed in quick properties for each object type has been updated to provide the most useful information. Of course, you can always access the full properties palette from the ribbon or by pressing Ctrl 1.